How to take care of your eyes to prevent eyesight problems. Foods make taking care of your eyes easier, but you must do a few things to help these foods do their work properly. Here are a few things you need to do to prevent visual impairment. Eye exercises. You must exercise your eyes to strengthen the muscles. Focus, unfocus, palming, rolling your eyes, etc. are a few examples of eye exercises. Splash water. All of us are hooked to our laptops, iPads, or cell phones. The radiation from these devices is very harmful, and no matter how many layers of protective coats we add to the glasses, the eyes always get affected. Cool your eyes by splashing water on them every 1 or 2 hours. Close your eyes. A tight deadline can turn you into a night owl. Unfortunately, the eyes of owls are designed differently. Give your eyes 2 to 3 minutes rest simply by closing them. Do it every 30 minutes, and you will see a difference. Adjust the lighting. Adjust the lighting on your computer, cell phone, and iPad. It will help protect your eyesight by preventing photo damage. Wear sunglasses. You must protect your eyesight from bright sunlight. If you are stepping out and it is very sunny outside, wear sunglasses. They will prevent photo damage and UV damage. Get the right spectacles. Go to a good eye doctor for a checkup. Make sure you answer his/her questions correctly to help him/her prescribe the correct glasses for you. To conclude, there's nothing like being able to see and take in all that the world has to offer. So, take care of your eyes by consuming good food and making a few changes in your lifestyle. Thanks for watching. Please like and share this video. Don't forget to subscribe Proper Health channel.